Hello, welcome to Shelley's table. What's on my table today? A little bit of Christmas magic. I'm not quite ready to set up my 2025 village just yet, but I thought I'd take you back to last year when I built my tiny world of twinkling lights and snowy streets and show you how it all came together.
Mostly what I do is I get out all my buildings and I roughly position them where I want them to be. As you can see, they're on their boxes. Just gives me a bit of an idea where I want them. Now, what I've got to be very careful is the ones with the moving parts have to be turned off at the switch before you power them off at the power. So I've put all the little buildings up the back this year, and these white ones from the cheap shops, they're not Lemax obviously, they're battery operated, so I want them to be at the side so I've got easy access to turn them on and off because they're battery powered. But all the others run via the Lemax cables, which I'll show you in a moment. So I've just tested it just to see what it looks like with the lights. So it's a little bit of a maze and a bit messy at the moment, as you can see behind, but all those buildings are powered by just 5 controllers because each little adapter powers 3 buildings, so you don't have to have as many power points as you think. But of course that means that I've got a collection of old power cords. So my next step is putting an old sheet on the boxes to cover them up. So it's a little bit tricky, so I just have to move the boxes each time and put them on that. But that's going to be the lovely undulating mountain, the snow. So I've put my old fitted sheet on the boxes, and then I've put my houses on there, and then next I got out all the little people, because that's what really makes the village, isn't it? All the little stories. We've got the band here, and we've got the choir, we've got some selfies, and I do have a lot of Santas. So my next step is going to be covering up all those cords, and that's where the sheet really helps me.
So there you have it. There's my village all put together. I've got a snowy treescape backdrop that I got from Amazon, and I've set my train up. I've got a battery operated tree from Kmart, and I've just got all the little stories in there. I've got some traditional old-fashioned Lemax. I've got lots of moving parts which all make their own noise and their own sounds, and it's just beautiful for my grandchildren to sit on the chair and watch the excitement of the Christmas village.